Valuable trees. Children, this is the first poem in the course book, and now we will do the workbook part for this poem, Valuable Trees. The first section in the workbook under this poem is Understanding the Text. A. Tick the correct answer. Here we have two sentences and we are given four options. We have to read this sentence and choose the correct option as the answer. 1. And gather birds among their boughs means the options here are A. Many birds sit and live in the trees. B. The trees gather and force the birds to sit on their branches. C. Birds are trapped by the trees. D. The boughs turn traps to gather birds. And here the correct option is many birds sit and live in the trees. So we will tick the option A here. 2. To touch the beams of morning sun means the options given here are A. The trees reach out to touch the sun rays. B. Rays of the morning sun first fall on the trees. C. Trees function like mirrors. D. Trees cover the earth and do not allow sunbeams to fall on the earth. And here the correct option is B. Rays of the morning sun first fall on the trees. So we will tick the option B here. I will read the sentence and the answer again. And gather birds among their boughs means many birds sit and live in the trees. To touch the beams of morning sun means rays of the morning sun first fall on the trees. This is about the first bit. Now we will move to the next bit. The B bit is answer the following questions in brief. Here 4 questions are given. We have to read these questions and write the answers for these. 1. What are the kindest things that the poet is talking about? The answer for this is the kindest things that the poet is talking about are trees. 2. How do cows and birds get benefits from the trees? The answer for this is the cows sleep in the shade of the trees and the birds gather in the boughs of the trees. 3. Name any 2 things that we get from the trees. The answer for this is we get fruits and wood from the trees. 4. Why do the morning sun rays first fall on trees? The answer for this is the morning sun rays first fall on trees as they are taller than the ground creatures. Children, these are the answers for the given questions. You can write these answers in the workbook. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is word search. A. State whether the following statements are true or false and also write the reason. Here we have 3 statements. We have to identify whether these statements are true or false and also write the reason. 1. Trees harm us. So, is this true or false? This is false statement. We have written here false. The reason why it is false? Because trees give us shade, food, wood and oxygen. They help us. They do not harm us. So this statement is false. 2. Trees give us leaves to burn on Halloween. Here the statement is true. Why? The fallen leaves are burnt on Halloween. 3. The sound of rustling leaves at night is like a quiet hum. This statement is true. Why? We will write the reason. When everyone is sleeping during night and it is very quiet, the rustling of leaves sound like a hum. So these are the reasons and the statement whether they are true or false. This is about bit A in word search. The next section under word search is B. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June of every year. Find out when the following days are celebrated. Children, we celebrate World Environment Day on June 5th every year. Now we will write here when these days are celebrated. 1. World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated on April 7th. 2. World Earth Day is celebrated on April 22. 3. World Population Day is celebrated on July 11. 4. World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16. So children, we celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June every year. We celebrate World Health Day on April 7th every year. World Earth Day is celebrated on April 22 every year. World Population Day is celebrated on July 11th of every year. World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16th every year. This is about the B bit in word search. Now we will move to the next section. The next section is writing skills. Search information about the Chipko movement and two famous persons associated with this movement. Write few sentences on the basis of the information in the given lines below. Children, you have to search information about the Chipko movement and about two famous persons associated with this movement. And we will write here few sentences on the basis of the information of Chipko movement. You can take an example of this and write your own sentences in your workbook. The Chipko movement was to save trees of forests in India where people prevent trees from being cut down. So in Chipko movement, people prevent trees being cut down. It began in 1970 in Raini village of Chamoli district, Uttarakhand. Sundarlal Bahuguna and Gaura Devi are the famous personalities associated with Chipko movement. So Sundarlal Bahuguna and Gaura Devi are the two famous persons associated with Chipko movement. Chipko movement is about avoiding cutting the trees and saving the forests. This is about writing skills. And now we will move to the next section. The next section here is life skill. Imagine you get free time to spend under a shady tree with your friends. How would you feel? Would you enjoy sitting / reading or playing under the tree? Write 10 sentences in the form of paragraph. Children, imagine yourself getting free time to spend under a shady tree with your friends. Then how will you feel? Would you enjoy reading, playing or sitting under the tree? We will write here in the form of sentences. You can take the example of the given matter here and write your own sentences in the workbook. Trees are our best friends. They play a very important role in our life. We cannot live without them. Trees give shelter from sunlight in the heat of the summer. Some people seek recreational needs in urban parks and house yards. Trees' shade also protects us from the sun's harmful UV rays and sunburns. If there are a group of people, I would like to play a group game in the shade of the tree. If I am lonely, then I would love to read a good story book in the shade of the tree. Sometimes if I am tired, I would like to relax in the shade of the tree breathing fresh air. So this is about the trees and we have written in the form of sentences and a paragraph. You can write your own paragraph and sentences in the workbook regarding trees and how you would like to spend under a shady tree. If you want to sit or read or play under a tree, think about it and write in the workbook. Children, this is about the life skill, and with this section we have completed the workbook part for the poem Valuable Trees.